Hello there, my name is Mrs Emma Cartwright and I'm Head of Maths here at Exeter School. In this video I'm going to talk to you about the courses that the department offers at A-level, as well as the destinations of our pupils beyond Exeter School, the enrichment activities we offer, and we'll also be talking to one of our lower sixth mathematicians to get their take on maths at A-level at Exeter School. In the sixth form we offer both A-level mathematics and A-level further mathematics courses, using the Pearson Edexcel exam board for both. Pupils choosing to take both A-levels are taught in a dedicated set, and the further maths content begins about 4/5 of the way through the first of the 2 years. In the lower sixth, alongside the timetabled lessons, pupils have 2 study periods in the library that is allocated to maths, and in the upper sixth, the further statistics and mechanics content is taught by specialists in those disciplines. The Maths A-level course comprises of 2/3 pure maths and 1/3 applied maths. The linear nature of the course allows us to teach all the pure content first, before any applied, and we have found this to be a significant advantage to our pupils, allowing time for consolidation of some of the most challenging concepts before the external exams. All pupils use graphical calculators to support their learning at A-level, helping them to visualise and understand concepts by visualising things like graphs, amongst other things. It is also a time where they meet many new, exciting and challenging concepts such as logarithms and parametric equations, radians and implicit functions. The department has 8 full-time and 1 part-time teacher, all of whom are experienced maths specialists who teach classes at A-level. We offer advanced problem-solving classes to extend our pupils, along with 2 weekly surgeries to support pupils with any areas where they need additional help. The UK Maths Trust Senior Maths Challenge is run in school on an annual basis, and we have an excellent record of results in this, including many pupils qualifying for the various follow-on rounds, such as the Olympiad. It is also usual for a team of 4 pupils to attend the Senior Team Maths Challenge regional finals in the autumn term. We are very proud to say that we have consistently had a number of our mathematicians go on to complete degrees at top universities, both in maths and in maths-related degrees. In particular, degrees in various types of engineering, economics and medicine seem popular amongst our pupils, and we have successfully prepared several pupils for maths degrees at Oxbridge over the years. Okay, so we're now going to meet Katie, who is one of our lower sixth further mathematicians this year. So Katie, why did you decide on maths and further maths for 2 of your A-levels this year?
I've always really enjoyed maths, and I want to go on to do a maths-rich course at university. So for me it was an obvious choice, and I pretty much assumed I'd be taking it from day one. As for further maths, I had a short list of A-levels which included further maths, computer science and music, and out of those, further maths opened far more doors for me considering my interests than the others.
Okay, great. Well, enjoyment of the subject is so important, isn't it, when you're choosing your subjects? So it's great to hear you enjoyed maths at GCSE level. How have you found and managed the transition from GCSE maths to A-level?
Personally, I found the transition reasonably smooth and actually not hugely noticeable. In the AS course, much of the content so far is an extension of topic studies at GCSE, so that allowed a reasonably easy transition. There are topics that I've struggled more with, however, these are for the most part entirely new, and so we've covered them over a greater length of time, and with the variety of practice questions available in the textbook and the help of my teachers, I've been able to work my way through the problem areas I have come across. However, at A-level, really you need to be self-aware enough to recognise that you're struggling with something and then seek help in that area. Developing independence is definitely a key part of sixth form life, so it's great to hear Katie talk about this, along with your comments on how you've sought help and clarification from your teachers when you've needed it. Sometimes the transition can feel quite hard for some pupils, so we do work hard to make sure that's as smooth as possible. What have you been enjoying about the course, Katie? For me, I think the most enjoyable thing is being able to explore new areas of maths and work collaboratively with and get to know my classmates better.
There's so many exciting new topics at A-level, isn't there? What other subjects are you doing, Katie, and how does maths fit in with these?
I'm taking physics and chemistry as well, so for me in physics the various applications of maths are really quite obvious and they definitely make my life easier. And in chemistry the difference is definitely noticeable when we're handling experimental results and sort of calculation questions. Overall, I definitely find maths improves my physics and chemistry work, and I can't imagine that will change at all.
And finally, Katie, do you have any plans for what you want to do beyond Exeter School?
I definitely want to do a maths rich course at university. I'm not entirely sure what course I want to study, but maths is definitely going to be there. I'm currently considering several options, including maths, engineering, physics and computing. For all of these, a maths A-level is a necessity, and a further maths A-level is definitely helpful, especially if I'm aiming for a top university.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.